Hey everyone, you are watching the Trident, and here we are checking out the new Huawei P50 Pocket, which has been just announced in China. So before we move to the technicals, let's have a look to the unboxing part. So this is the new Huawei P50 Pocket, which is looking really nice. The display is just huge, and as you can see, it comes with two versions. There's 8 gigs plus 256 gigs version, and a 12 gigs and a 512 gigs version. The display is looking beautiful. The display is also quite fast and smooth thanks to a high refresh rate. The phone comes with a 6.9-inch OLED panel that has an aspect ratio of 21:9. What makes things more spicy is that it also comes with 120Hz refresh rate with 320Hz touch sampling rate that makes things really quick and smooth. So over here you can also find some specs listed, like a 4000 mAh of battery with presence of 40-watt fast charging. Here you can also see that it is powered by Harmony OS 2, which is a good operating system, a brand new operating system by Huawei, and it works really well. When it comes to the performance, the phone is powered by Snapdragon 888 chip, which is an amazing flagship chip, although it lacks 5G connectivity, which is a shortcoming. So now the phone is in its folding state, and as you can see, the device looks really beautiful. And here's the dual screen, which works really well. It is a good notifier. Obviously it can notify you with all the messages that came in. It can also be used as a good camera viewfinder so that you can able to take good selfies from the back camera itself. Apart from that, it can also be used for checking minor things like time and weather. The camera here includes a main 40 megapixel sensor along with a 13 megapixel ultra wide lens, and there's also a 32 megapixel ultra spectrum camera. So we will check out the camera in depth in our future videos. So overall, this phone is an amazing piece of art. As you can see, the folding mechanism works really well. So overall, I will say it is indeed a great package. You are getting Snapdragon 888 on top, along with a really beautiful display with full HD plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate, which is compiled with 320Hz touch sampling rate. You can check the pricing details in description. That's it for this video. Let me know what are your opinions about this device in comments below. And in case you have liked this video, make sure to subscribe our channel The Trident for more videos like this. And as always, keep watching and keep smiling.